Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. And so today I'm going to be talking about what is like the geometry and the brush editing tool. So geometry, well, there's like all these different things, and like sphere, you can build that out, but you can edit all these faces. Like these are different faces in the editing thing, like spiral stairs. Like you can edit all of these. Most of the time you're just gonna if I just get rid of these. Okay, so most of the time you're just gonna be using this box tool. Like most of the time you just can use it, like that's what you're mainly gonna use. Usually, like if you're building like a maze or something, you want to use these, like just make it smaller or something. Each one of these little square things that it has, like square faces, there's two of them here, like the different colors, those are each 100 units. So if I was to go to all of them to 100 units, it would just be one face by one face by one face. But default, it's 2, so it's 200. That's why there's 4 different faces, 200 by 200 by 200. But in this brush editing tool, you can go in and extend each face. Like you can go like that, and it extends. Or if I can just pull that back to exact face. But you can also increase snap size to like 50 or something, and you'll get per 2 will be 100, or you can go 100, and it'll do a face per time. And you can do it in every direction. You can also go like that and make like a tilt or something. So you can also, you can go this way, whatever shape you're trying to do, you can make it with the geometry tools and stuff like that. Some other things that you can do with these, you can go into the brush editing, and where is it? It's Extrude. So it only works with the local coordinate system, as it says. So the local coordinate system, so you see this little square right here? That means that it's on local coordinate system. Like if I was to go back to edit, see how it's in the world edit like object thing. So the world coordinate system, that's how you can like extend it and stuff like that. But when you go to extrude, it has to be in the box one, and when you click OK, it will just automatically go there. You can also switch manually. So, but if you don't want to see it all the time, you can just go like don't show, and now when you go edit to extrude, it just will automatically do it. But extrude, what does extrude do? Well, extrude, it makes it to where you have a second face. Like you can go ahead and make new faces and stuff like this. Like you can just make like the weirdest stuff ever. I don't even know what I just did. You can just go like that, and what's crazy is this all came from a square. Like literally, like you can do anything with the like square or the like stair or whatever. But then you can go like this. I don't want it just going by 50. Oh, never mind. But you can go back to edit and then just pull it. Oh, for some reason it's not doing it. It's probably because it's connecting or something. But yeah, so you can do that. And then when you go off, it's just this crazy shape. But what else can you do with them? Okay, so in starter content or materials or whatever you have, in next episode I'm probably going to talk about the like exporting from Quixel Bridge to here, so you have how to do it. Like I mean Quixel Bridge, I'll probably do it from Quixel, just from Quixel Bridge just automatically puts it in. But like you can just click like concrete grime and then go like this, and it's automatically that material. So, or how you do this, you'll notice that when I do this, it's just that face. what you want to do is you want to go select all adjacent surfaces, and then now it's 2 materials, normally it'd just be 1, and then boom, that's all of it. That's all of these materials and stuff like that. Now, I think that's just about it with the geometry. Yeah, that's really all you're gonna really do. Now you can do more stuff with like you can do like optimize and pen and stuff, but main things that you're gonna do, and I'm not gonna go too much into the other things, the main things you're gonna do is just the edit and extrude. Those are just the kind of things that you do. That's all I use, but if you're like building a maze or something, you can just go and you can create, like if I was to go and do a new level and then default, don't save, I don't want those stuff, and then oh yeah, so there is one more thing that I forgot to show. I will show it though. So if I just go like 100, like I meant to do Z, 100, okay, and then this can go back up to 2. I'll just do 2000 because I'm gonna make like a floor, and then by 3000, 3000. Okay, so this is like just kind of like a floor, but so I'll just go ahead and just kind of create a little maze or something, or just like a wall. Let's just create like a wall and you'll notice that like you have to snap it to 50. Most of the time when you're doing like stuff like this and you're connecting and stuff, you want it to be like 50, because like when you switch it down to 100 for like a wall, or 50 or whatever, like it usually will go in like the center and it's really weird. And then you just go into brush editing and just go ahead and just slide that all the way over. Just go ahead and create a little barrier wall, and then just a little higher, and then technically I could go like 2 back, and then go to extrude, and then go forward 2, and then like that. I'm still gonna have to go back and do the material and stuff like that. Oh, I forgot to edit, 2 back, extrude. This just makes it faster, so you don't have to pull out a new. And we'll just go ahead and just 2, and that'll be a wall that I'll pull out, and then 2 for just kind of like a maze type thing. Just the snap size 2 with 50, that's what I'm saying with the 2. Now once get this done, as soon as I can actually click, once it gets close it has some problems, I'll have to look into that. But now you can just go like this and just, well, yeah, for some reason it's having problems, like it only will snap. What if we stick up the snap size to like 100? I don't want like 1000. Yeah, okay, so it only snapping once for some reason. I don't know why, but it is. So that's really odd. But if we just go here and I think we need to be in edit. Just what is it doing? Place actors maybe? Yeah, I think I need to be in select. So select all adjacent surfaces, and then display to materials, and then concrete grind. So now everything is like that, but you'll notice when you move or something, like it's all kind of broken and stuff like that. Like that, it's not So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to select your floor first, so that's where you want this. We're just gonna go ahead and make it a static mesh. I'm gonna show you how to do that so you can do more with it. So we're just gonna go here, press F2 to rename, and then just go like box brush dash floor, because you want to select that last. So you just want to press this and then shift that. So now that, like that, and then I believe it's right here. So yes, and then create static mesh. Now you're gonna want to just click that, and then you're gonna name it like, let's just say just say static mesh. Create static mesh. Now this whole thing is a static mesh now, and you can create stationary, movable, and then you can go in and make it rotate or something. Like you could be up here controlling it and a ball could roll or something. That's something I learned how to do. That's where I learned how to do this. It was a ball thing, but you don't do like that or anything. You just have a physics ball, and then if you're wanting collision or something, you just have to go into your static mesh, and then you go to collision, and then you want to show complex collision. Now this doesn't make the collision yet, so there's no collision right now. Still, it's just showing what complex collision would be. You want to go down to collision, and then project defaults, and use complex collision as simple, and then save, and now it has collision. Like if you were to make empty actor, actually no, I don't want an empty actor, I want just basic shape sphere. So if you're just create one of those, and then go down to physics and simulate physics. Now that's just gonna fall or something. Save. So that's just gonna fall. But if you went like play, see how that fell. Like it was higher, and it's collision, and I can push it around. You can play like a soccer game or something. This like just a mini game. Yeah. So you get like goals or something in this little arena type thing. You just push around a little soccer ball or something. 2 people, multiplayer. So yeah, that's really kind of basically it for these. Yeah, I was trying to save. Make sure you always, when you're dealing with blueprints and stuff, compile and save, so that if your engine crashes or your CPU overheats or something like that, you'll always have it ready. And also make sure to like and subscribe if you like the content. And yeah, bye.